Hey there, beautiful friend. I am Lit, and in this video, I want to tell you an ugly truth. You deserve everything that happened to you. Just you deserve it. Like, there is karma. Karma means cause and effect. So basically, that means that whatever happened to you is an effect, and the cause is something you did before. So you may have done something in a different life, and that's why something happened to you in this life. And the thing is, you might not believe me, and I totally agree with you. Maybe you didn't deserve it, maybe you believe you didn't deserve it, but you did deserve it. And the thing is that even if you didn't deserve it, let's say that you didn't deserve it, it doesn't help you at all to believe that you didn't deserve it. The danger of believing that you didn't deserve it is that you will be angry, because if you consider you didn't deserve it, you will be angry, you will feel that something wrong was done to you and that shouldn't have happened, and that's how you remain a victim. But the moment when you take responsibility and you say, man, yeah, I deserve everything that happened to me, that's when everything will change for you. I know from my experience, I believed that what happened to me was not right. I believed that what happened to me I didn't deserve. And the moment I thought about this and I realized, man, yeah, I did not, I realized what I chose to believe. I chose to believe that I deserved everything. That's when I was able to forgive. That's when I was able to get over my traumas. Because if I deserved it, okay, it's fine, it happened, I will just let go of what happened and I'm gonna be happy again. But if I believe that, I choose to believe that I don't deserve it, I will just continue to be sad and angry and all that related in regards to that event and the people that were involved in it. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have an amazing day, and I love you.